Okay, this tutorial is for Amazing Grace. All right, it's going to be in the key of G, and the time signature is going to be 3/4, which means 3 beats. All right, and this song does not start on count 1, it starts on count 3, which is what we call a pickup. So we're going to count 1, 2, and then we're going to start the song. So it starts on the 4th string, right, which is the open D string. So D, G, open G, then open B, back to G, B, A, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, A, then G, open 3rd string, 2nd fret of the 4th string, E, open 4th, which is D. So that first part again, D, G, B, G, B, A, G, B, D. Now with the count. 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now the second part starts just like the first part with a slight variation. 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, A, then it goes to high D, 3. All right, so let's do the first 2 parts again. 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Second part, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Third part now. D, B, G, open D, D, E, 2nd fret of the 4th string, G, E, D. Now the last part is just like the first part. D, G, B, G, B, A, G. Okay, now I'm going to play the entire thing with the count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3,